The biggest shelter during Hurricane Irma will not house people during Hurricane Dorian.
NBC2 is now learning that Hertz Arena will not be open before Dorian strikes. However, it may open after the storm clears. This means that people living in vulnerable communities like mobile home parks will have to seek refuge somewhere else. You can see work is being done to replace the roof that failed during Hurricane Irma 2 years ago. NBC2's Joanna Boris is getting us answers first at 4 for anyone thinking about evacuating.
Crews are still working on updates to make Hertz Arena a storm shelter. And while it wouldn't be open pre-landfall, it could be available for people after. Today, crews worked on the roof and added steel beams to make the facility more durable in storms. Right now, Hertz is listed as a storm shelter, but it will not be open pre-landfall this year for storms.
I think it's extremely important. It's like a public safety health kind of issue. And I feel like it's one of the most basic things that should be available to the people in the community just to be able to survive and get through it.
But if there's extensive damage and people need to be displaced after, it could be used for certain scenarios. Right now, there are 19 shelters in Lee County. Not all of them would be open at the same time, and announcements will come from the Emergency Operations Center. People who live near Hertz Arena say the timing is inconvenient.
I think it's good that they're doing it because it's not like this is going to be the only hurricane that is troublesome for us. I mean, this is just the start of it, so I think it'll be ready when it's necessary as well.
The county says work is expected to be done on December 9th. A full list of shelters can be found on our NBC2 News app. Anna Stero, Joanna Boris, NBC2.
Every